जी हाँ, वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे सेलिब्रेशंस किए गए जहां शान और कई सारे सितारे मौजूद रहे। आप सभी को दिखाते हैं वीडियो जहां पर ये सितारे मौजूद रहे और इन्होंने आखिरकार क्या बातचीत की।
This is such a great honor to be here, but thank you so much for the work that you and the foundation are doing, but most of all to everyone here. Plastic is all of our problem. It's all of our responsibility, and we can make a difference. And thank you for showing us that. And I know that all of us who have seen the difference we can make are going to keep working at it. So thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So honored. You removed your precious time and here. And now we take this further to Shan. Shan, I think Bandra, the Bandra boy Shan, Bandra is waiting to hear from you. A very big round of applause to the great music composer Shan. I can't hear you guys there.
Little louder, guys.
Thank you so much. And actually, very honestly, someone here on stage, of course, Asif Bhai has been instrumental. He is really the champion of creating this whole song. But someone who got this, the seed to get this started was probably Aditya when he started this campaign much earlier than most of us. And you know, since I follow him on Twitter, that's how I found out what's happening. And so we thought we must follow suit and you know, join in the campaign, but through music, so that we can get more people connected. And then Asif Bhai said, then ab kaun banayega gana? So I said, चलिए मैं ही कर लेता हूँ.
आप ही
और
बनाएंगे.
इस चक्कर में सिंगर से मैं कंपोजर हो गया. And
Shan, you've also done the rap. Rap के lyrics भी आप ही के. Everything is credited to you, right?
No, the lyrics are by
Mr.
Swanand
Subodh
Kirkire.
Runwal, please
but-
come on stage.
But Swanand भाई ने कहा यार rap वैप मुझसे मत लिखवा यार. तो मैंने ही कुछ कर दिया उसका. And of course, Shamak, who's you know the ace, the #1 choreographer for so many years, and so much more than just that.
Big round of
his-
applause,
his
ladies and
entire group
gentlemen.
is here. So he's created the hook step that's actually got the song to get even more popular with the youth and the youngsters. And he's also sung in this. So there's been a lot of interesting things that happened
So
through it all.
I have a little suggestion. अभी stage पे we can obviously see कि कुछ बहुत special होने वाला है.
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन ये जितने लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हुए हैं ना, I'm sure कि stage पे जो हो रहा है उसको देख के even they want to do something. So sir, can I just request you to please come here?
Please.
All right. Shan, since you already have the mic, it's a very simple thing.
Teach
बहुत
us the
simple
step.
है.
Teach us the step.
Yeah, here's
right
the
here
mic,
live.
mic.
We've got
Ek-
the signature step done by Shamak.
He
and
was
he's gonna
aware it's
teach
going to
all
happen.
of-
I think that's why he's ready with it.
Yes. So
आसिफ भाई रुकिए रुकिए आप.
that's the best thing about artists. उनको पता है exactly करना
He
क्या
knew.
है.
अभी होने वाला है
Shamak is
फिलहाल.
already ready. So yes, Shan, आप अगर दो लाइनें जो हैं वो गुनगुनाए. And Shamak, on that जो exact step हमने वीडियो में देखा, आयुष्मान, शंकर साहब, everybody doing it. So ladies and gentlemen, I know कि ये जो कुर्सियों पे बैठे हुए हैं, अगर आप लोग बस 1 मिनट के लिए खड़े हो सकते हैं.
Yes,
All
come
of
on.
you.
Everyone has to participate.
बिल्कुल,
Everybody has to
क्योंकि
participate.
हम सिंगर्स को ये डांस स्टेप करते हुए देखकर आप सब कंफ्यूज हो गए होंगे कि एक्चुअली स्टेप क्या है. So you know we'll show you exactly what that step is.
And Asif
So
ji-
when the video plays, we're hoping that we can all do that signature step together.
Absolutely.
And that's our way of pledging no to plastic, of
Absolutely.
saying #beat plastic pollution.
But
एक
hold on,
सेकंड
hold on,
भाई
seriously,
ये
hold on.
वीडियो वाला मोमेंट नहीं है. Please फोन नीचे रख दो because everybody is going to do
ये
it.
ट्रेनिंग वाला
We
मोमेंट है,
need to
ट्रेनिंग
get
वाला.
Asif ji also and
Asif bhai, I'll take the mic.
esteemed
बहुत अच्छा
panel
नाचता है
also.
आपको भी ये स्टेप करना
Asif
पड़ेगा.
ji- Asif
बहुत
ji-
सिंपल सा स्टेप है.
और हम सब now we are
Aditya,
all a
please
part of the
come
summer
join, come
funk.
join.
You
We've
can
all
do
become
it,
a part
Asif
of
ji, come on.
फ्री में आप देखिए शामा का एक क्लास तो ले ही रहे हैं हम सब.
So this is special summer funk, Shamak.
बिल्कुल. Special crash course.
Also because my mother, who's 96, is here, right here.
Oh
Yeah, Mom.
Thank you, mom,
love
for
you,
giving
Mom.
us Shamak.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes,
so-
yes, yes.
So in a count
We
of
have the
4.
music.
नहीं नहीं ऐसे ऐसे
मैं
dry
count कर लेता
run
हूँ.
dry run 2
3, 4.
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
बहुत
टिक,
simple
टिक,
है.
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे.
तो मुझे लगता है सब लोग सीख चुके हैं सुरेन.
बहुत
So,
आसान है.
once
शाम
more,
सर कह
Shan,
रहे हैं
और
बहुत
पूरा
सिंपल है, सब समझ गए.
पूरा
अब देखते हैं
बैंड्रा
कितना सिंपल है.
पूरा मुंबई अभी आपके साथ करेगा टिक टिक. Come on,
I think
everybody.
we'll have to get the
Everybody
good
does
answer
it.
time. हाँ, I
Sir,
don't.
sir,
Most of them are looking lost.
थोड़ा effort दिखाइए ना sir. Please stand up again and let's just shake the hand how Shamak did.
Should we do it slowly so you'll get it?
We have Mr. Sanjay Nirupam ji.
One,
Thank you, sir.
2, 3, 4.
Tick tick
Sub,
tick
sub.
tick tick tick
Everybody.
tick tick कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
अब
Bit more
साथ
speed.
में अब
Shan-
साथ में गाना भी होगा और डांस भी करना होगा.
डांस के टाइम पे तो 10 लोग थे. Hopefully, प्लास्टिक को निकालने के लिए we'll have more people doing it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Thank you, Shan. Thank you,
लिया सब?
Shamak.
I would like to
जो सीखना
call-
है, I think वो अब टाइम है.
इससे पहले कि हम दिखाएं, I like to call Mr. Riyaz Amlani to give away one small award to Riyaz Amlani ji and Subodh Runwal ji. Riyaz Amlani ji कहाँ गए sir? Where's Mr. Amlani?
While we are
He's
waiting
here, he
for
is here.
Mr. Amlani to please come on stage,
Yeah, please come on stage and Mr.
We
Subodh
once
Runwal.
again-
A
once
small
again-
momentum, the Green Crusader Award to Riyaz Amlani as we gave to Bombay Adda. Gaurav, please come once again.
once
And
again,
Mr. Srivastav.
a big thank you to Mr. Edgard Kagan, the U.S. Consul General, for taking time out to be here on this very important occasion.
Mr. Riyaz
Thank you very
Amlani.
much, Mr. Kagan.
Mr. Aditya Thackeray to please give away. Big round of applause to and to Mr. Subodh Runwal, the Green Crusader, Sustainable Constructions in Mumbai. Mr. Subodh Runwal, Aditya Thackeray ji to give away award. और एक स्पेशल अवार्ड बीएमसी को क्योंकि आदित्य ठाकरे जी है हमारे साथ में. We have the rock star of BMC, the man who completely changed BMC. The entire team of SH was H Westward, Mr. Sharad Ugade, Sachin ji, सारे लोग please मंच पर आ जाए. Sachin, sir, and the Assistant Principal Commissioner, Sharad Ugade ji. Big round of applause. Everything you see, he's given us the footpath back. He's removed all the encroachment, which was a problem to the band ride. Sharad
Come. Sagita ji. So Madhu ji will say a few words.
Thank you, Asif bhai. This would have never happened had Mr. Sharad Ugade, our Assistant Municipal Commissioner, not wakened me up and told me कि मैडम बहुत सो लिया अभी उठिए, we have to do something. I was absolutely anti-composting because going door to door and making every building do compost.
Environment Day, and to tell all of you, just stop using plastic altogether. The moment you have something in your hand that's plastic, just say, this is the last time I'm using plastic. We should be allergic to plastic now. Our Earth, Mother Earth, is allergic to plastic. Mother Earth is choking. Please do, the moment you touch plastic,
Thank you, Aditya
say,
ji.
I don't
Thank
want
you.
it anymore.
Sir,
Thank you very
please be
much to
seated,
all of our
everybody.
luminaries.
और शान जी, अरमान जी, शामक जी, आप लोग कहीं नहीं जा रहे. Because आरजे सुरेन को कुछ कहना है आपसे.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the prince is here. Arman, we obviously before you entered, we had tried getting everyone to dance to Shamak's choreography. I think 10 people did it. Okay. Lekin before we start, okay, ये plastic जो है, you keep going for concerts, and I know कि concerts में sometimes जब लोग इतनी देर तक wait कर रहे होते हैं, there's a lot of plastic. You have supported the campaign because you're the voice of the youth. What have you experienced, and जो तुम्हारे fans हैं, how have they actually come on board to say, kick the plastic? Check.
So, as you said, on concerts also, a lot of items are used which are made of plastic. We also, when we get tired, we use those small plastic bottles to drink from. So I think the only change that I'd like to start with is probably start replacing those bottles, firstly, and also making sure that whatever the arrangements have been made in the concert, none of it is plastic. At least making sure from the next concert that I do. I've not done it till now, but after this initiative, with my next concert, I'll try doing my best what I can.
So senior artist, are you in agreement with the idea?
Yes,
Completely?
yes.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think हमने इनको बहुत देर से wait करवा के रखा हुआ है. So Arman, thank you so much, man, once again. All right.
Before that, the PPOF has a special cycle to be given to Mr. Aditya Thackeray. PPOF, Rahul, thank you so much, Rahul.